Hello everyone, welcome again to this another episode of Math Fun Learning. For today's lesson, I'm going to discuss to you arithmetic means. So this is a continuation of our previous discussion. So I suggest, it would be better if mapanood nyo muna yung previous discussion natin about arithmetic sequence, which I posted the link in the description box below. Okay, so one of the common tasks in studying arithmetic sequence is finding the arithmetic means. So what is this arithmetic means? The arithmetic means are the terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Let's take these examples. We have example number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. For example number 1, insert 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 25. Okay, so we're going to insert 4 terms. Okay, 4 arithmetic means between 5 and 25. So it means that the first term is 5 and the last term is 25. So if we're going to insert 4 arithmetic means, it means to say that we have 6 terms in all. Okay? Kasi 4 yung i-insert natin and we already have the first term and the last term. So, first identify the given. The value of n is, okay, ilang terms ba lahat yon? So, there are 6. Okay? First term given and then we have to insert 4 arithmetic means plus the last term. So, that's a sub 6. So, n is 6. Next is the last term natin, which is the 6th term or a sub 6, that's 25. And we have the first term, which is 5. And our common difference here, in solving arithmetic means, we cannot directly identify the value of the common difference since there is no consecutive terms. O wala tayong consecutive term din. Ang given lang dito is yung first term at saka yung last term. So it means to say that yung first na gagawin natin is we have to solve for the value of the common difference first. Okay? So still, that's by using the formula of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. And then, for a sub n, we will use the last term given, which is 25 or a sub 6. So a sub 6, our first term is 5. N is 6 minus 1 and yung common difference ang isolve natin. Plug in the value of or substitute the value of the last term, the 6th term, which is 25. Then we have 5. 6 minus 1 is 5 times d, that's 5d. Then transpose natin si 5 from positive 5 maging negative 5. Okay? So 25 minus 5 equals 5d. So 25 minus 5 is 20. And then in order for us to get the value of the common difference, we have to divide both sides by coefficient 5. So divide both sides by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. It means to say that the value of the common difference is 4. Now, since we already have the value of the common difference, we can now insert or we can now solve for the 4 arithmetic means. Still, that's by using the formula. Okay? So, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So, for the second term, the value of n is 2. Okay? So, a sub 2 equals, substitute the first term, which is 5. N is 2. 2 minus 1, our common difference is 4. And then simplify. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 times 4. Okay, 1 times 4, that's 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Therefore, second term or a sub 2 is 9. Okay? So, for the third term naman, or the second arithmetic mean, okay? So, that's a sub 3. So, for a sub 3, n is 3. Okay? Then, first term is 5. N is 3 minus 1. Our common difference is 4. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 plus 8, that's 13. Therefore, the third term is 13, or 13 is the second arithmetic mean. Okay? So, this is the first arithmetic mean. This is the second arithmetic mean. Okay? Arithmetic mean. Pero pag terms naman ang pag-uusapan, 9 is the second term, 13 is the third term. Okay? So, kung arithmetic means again, 9 is the first arithmetic mean, 13 is the second arithmetic mean. Okay, next is, for the third arithmetic mean, that's a sub 4, or the fourth term. So, still, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Then, our n here is 4. Then, first term is 5, n is 4 minus 1. Our common difference is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times 4, that's 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So, the fourth term, or the third arithmetic mean, is 17. Okay? For the fifth term, and that's the fourth arithmetic mean. So, n is 5, since it is the fifth term. Then, substitute natin, a sub 1 is 5, n is 5, 5 minus 1. Then, our common difference is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times 4, that's 16. And then, 16 plus 5, or 5 plus 16 is 21. Therefore, the fourth arithmetic mean, and that's the fifth term, is 21. Another way to get the values of arithmetic means, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, and a sub 5, using the calculated value of d is this. Okay, so, yung common difference natin is 4. Okay, and then we have 5 as the first term. Okay, mag-insert tayo ng 4. And our last term is 25. Okay? So, ganito lang, since yung first arithmetic mean natin ay second term, so ibig sabihin, a sub 2, and then yung first term natin, 5 plus, yung common difference na 4 times n minus 1. Okay? 2 minus 1 is 1. Kaya 1 ito dito. So, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 5, that's 9. And then, for the second, for the second, this is 9 here. For the second arithmetic mean, or the third term, okay, that's the third term, di ba? So, a sub 3, and then first term is 5, plus 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. Then, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So, the second arithmetic mean, or the third term, is 13. And then, the third mean, okay, third arithmetic mean, that's the fourth term of the sequence. So, a sub 4 equals, first term is 5, plus 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. Then, 3 times 4 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. So, the third arithmetic mean, or the fourth term, is 17. And last, for the fourth arithmetic mean, that's the fifth term. So, same pa rin. So, first term is 5. And then, yung common difference natin, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. So, the fourth arithmetic mean is 21. So, take note ha, ito yung arithmetic means natin. Okay? Arithmetic mean. So, yung first arithmetic mean ay 9. Second arithmetic mean, 13. Third arithmetic mean is 17, and then fourth arithmetic mean is 21. Pero pag arithmetic, yung terms yung pinag-uusapan natin, then, this is the second term, 9 is the second term, third term, fourth term, and fifth term. Another example, give the arithmetic sequence of 5 terms if the first term is 8 and the last term is 100. Okay? So, it means to say, 5 terms lahat, kasali na si first term, kasali na si last term. So, ibig sabihin, we have to insert 3 terms between 8 and 100. So, 3 arithmetic means ang kailangan natin between yung first term natin ay 8, yung last term natin ay 100. Okay? So, our n here, if kasi 5 lahat ng terms, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, ang value ng n ay 5. And then, that's the first term, 8. Second term, yung first arithmetic mean natin. A sub 3, yung second arithmetic mean. Then, A sub 4, yan yung third arithmetic mean natin. And yung last term natin, A sub 5, 100. So, A sub 5 is 100. And again, to insert arithmetic means, we have to solve for the common difference first. So, here, the first term is 8. Then, solve for the common difference. We will use the last term, A sub 5 for A sub n. So, A sub 5 equals, first term is 8, then n is 5 minus 1 times d. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 times d is 4d. Transpose positive 8, maging negative 8. So, that's 100 minus 8 equals 4d. 100 minus 8 is 92. Then, since we have the variable d here, ay may coefficient, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient 4. Yan. So, cancel. 92 divided by 4 is 23. Therefore, the common difference is 23. Now, to identify the arithmetic means, the first arithmetic mean, that's the second term. So, first term is 8 plus our common difference 23 times yung n minus 1. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, that's 31. And then, for A sub 3 or the second arithmetic mean, this one is n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 times 23 plus 8, that's 54. So, the second arithmetic mean or the third term is 54. And for the third arithmetic mean, that's the fourth term. Okay, so this is the value of n. 8 is the first term, 23 is the common difference, 3 here, that's n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So 23 times 3 plus 7 is 77. So A sub 4 or the third arithmetic mean is 77. Example number 3. Insert 2 arithmetic means between x plus y and 2x minus y. Okay, so if we're going to insert 2 arithmetic means between the first given and the last, then it means meron tayong 4 terms in all. Okay, so n here is 4. Okay, A sub 1, A sub 2 yung first arithmetic mean, A sub 3 yung second arithmetic mean, and the last term is, yan, A sub 4. Then, our A sub 4 is 2x minus y. Our A sub 1 is x plus y. And, again, since mag-insert tayo ng arithmetic means, we have to solve for the value of the common difference first. So, that's by, again, using the formula of the arithmetic sequence. And then, plug in the values or substitute the values. A sub n here, we will use the last term, A sub 4. So, A sub 4 equals our A sub 1 or the first term is x plus y plus the quantity n minus 1. N is 4, so 4 minus 1 times our common difference. And then, substitute the value of the last term, A sub 4, that's 2x minus y equals x plus y, and then 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 times d is 3d. Then transpose natin ito sa kabila from positive, that's positive x maging negative x minus y equals 3d. And then combine like terms. So, 2x minus x is x. Then, negative y minus y is negative 2y. So, para makancel ang coefficient ng variable d, we have to divide both sides by 3. So, divide by 3, cancel. Dito din sa kabila, divide din ng 3. Therefore, the common difference is x minus 2y all over 3. So, ito na yung common difference natin. Since we already have the value of the common difference, we can now insert the two arithmetic means. Thus, for the first arithmetic mean, that's the second term, okay, a sub 2 equals first term x plus y plus yung ating common difference times n minus 1 is 1. Okay, n is 2. 2 minus 1, that's 1. Next is our LCD is 3. Okay, so may denominator na 1 ito dito. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. Then 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times y, that's 3y. So plus 3y. Next naman, ito siya, i-multiply natin since 1 na yan siya, automatic na same lang yan. Okay? So, plus x minus 2y all over 3. And then combine like terms, 3x plus x. Okay? 3x plus x is 4x. And then 3y minus 2y is y all over 3. So this is now the value of the second term, or this is the first arithmetic mean. Okay? So the second term or the first arithmetic mean is 4x plus y all over 3. For the second arithmetic mean naman, the second arithmetic mean is a sub 3. Then our first term, this is the first term, plus our common difference. And then, n minus 1 is 2. Kasi yung n natin ay 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then again, LCD is 3. And then, may denominator na 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times x is 3x. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times y is 3y. So, 3x plus 3y. And then, dito naman, multiply natin ito by 2. Okay? So, positive 2 times positive x is positive 2x. Positive 2 times negative 2y is negative 4y. Okay? All over 3. And then, combine like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 3y minus 4y is negative y. So, isubtract natin and then follow the sign of the bigger number since magkaiba yung sign ng dalawa. All over 3. Therefore, the second arithmetic mean or the third term is 5x minus y all over 3. So, this is now the two arithmetic means between x plus y and 2x minus y. Here's another example on arithmetic sequence. What must be the value of k? So we're going to solve for the value of k so that 5k minus 3, k plus 2, and 3k plus 11 will form an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so we have to solve for the value of k. So 5k minus 3, this is the first term. K plus 2 is the second term. 3k minus 11 is the third term. So we all know that a minus 1 a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is the value of the common difference. And a sub 3 minus a sub 2, same din, the value is or the result is the common difference. So, in order for us to solve for the value of k, we have to equate this one. A sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to a sub 3 minus a sub 2. Kasi same sila na common difference. So, ganun ang gagawin. And then, substitute natin. Yung a sub 2 is k plus 2. A sub 2 minus yung a sub 1 natin, 5k minus 3 equals a sub 3 is 3k minus 11 minus yung a sub 2 is k plus 2. And then, distribute. Negative times 5k is negative 5k. kopyahin lang natin ito, k plus 2. Then negative times 5k is negative 5k. Negative times negative 3 is positive 3. Kaya naging positive 3 yan dyan. Equals. Copy ito, 3k minus 11. And then distribute. Negative times k is negative k. Negative times positive 2 is negative 2. And then combine natin, combine like terms. Okay, ilipat itong may variable sa left side. So that's k as easy k and then minus 5k. Then itong 3k dito, since positive siya, and then i-transpose natin from right to left, maging negative ang sign natin. So ito naman, si negative k, from negative, magiging positive k. And then, negative 2, kopyahin lang si negative 2 at saka si negative 11. Okay, negative 2 minus 11. And then, itong 2 dito from positive, transpose natin, magiging negative 2. Then, si positive 3 naman from positive, i-transpose natin, magiging negative 3. And then, simplify. Negative k minus 5k is negative 4k. Negative 4k minus 3k is negative 7k. Negative 7k plus k is negative 6k. And then, negative 2 minus 11 minus 2 minus 3 is negative 18. Okay, so i-add lang ito lahat since same lang naman sila lahat ng sign. And then, follow the common sign. So, negative 18. And then, since my variable pa, may coefficient pa si k, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient negative 6. So, divide both sides by negative 6, cancel. K therefore is 3. Since negative 18 divided by negative 6 is positive 3. So therefore, the value of K is 3. So if the value of K is 3, it means that yung first term natin na 5K minus 3, substitute natin yung 3 kay K, 5 times 3, 15, minus 3, that's 12. So, yung first term natin ay 12. Okay? Next, yung second term naman, K plus 2. So, K is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So, second term is 5. Then, for the third term natin, 3K minus 11. So, 3 times K is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, minus 11, that's negative 2. So, yung third term naman natin ay negative 2. Okay? So, this is now the arithmetic sequence. For your turn, pause the video and try to answer these 3 problems here. Let's check. For number 1, insert 3 arithmetic means between 6 and 54. Then determine its nth term. Okay, so if our first term is 6, last term is 54, and we're going to insert 3 arithmetic means. It means that we have 5 terms in all. Therefore, the value of n is 5, and the last term, or a sub 5, that's 54. Our first term is 6, and we have to solve for the common difference first. So, to solve for the common difference, we have a sub n, our formula for arithmetic sequence. And then for a sub n, we will use the last term, a sub 5 equals, first term a sub 1 is 6 plus our n is 5, 5 minus 1 times d. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 times d, that's 4d. So substitute na natin si 54 dito as value ng a sub 5. So 54 equals 6 plus 4d. And then transpose natin si 6 from positive maging negative 6. 54 minus 6 is 48. So since may coefficient yung variable d natin, we have to divide both sides by the coefficients. By the coefficient. So divide both sides by 4. Cancel. 48 divided by 4 is 12. Therefore, the common difference is 12. So, since we already have the value of the common difference, we can now identify or solve for the arithmetic means, for the three arithmetic means. Thus, for the first arithmetic mean, the second term, so 6 yung first term plus the common difference 12 times 1. So 1 is from n minus 1, 2 minus 1. So 12 times 1 is 12 plus 6, that's 18. And then for the second arithmetic mean naman, the third term, so a sub 3 equals, first term is 6 plus 12 times 2. So 2 is from n minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. Then 12 times 2 plus 6, so that's 30. So the second arithmetic mean is 30. Then, last arithmetic mean, the fourth term. So same pa rin, value ng first term is 6, and then 12 times 3. 3 is from 4 minus 1, n minus 1, so 3. 12 times 3 plus 6, that's 42. So a sub 4, or ito yung third arithmetic mean natin, that is equal to 42. So next is we have to determine its nth term. So ano ba yung formula ng given arithmetic sequence if this is the arithmetic sequence? So let's determine the nth term or the formula. That's by using the explicit formula. So remember, we only need the value of the first term and the common difference. So common difference here is 12, and then our first term is 6. Okay, so use again the formula of an arithmetic sequence, and then substitute lang natin yung values natin. First term is 6, and then common difference is 12. And then distribute natin si 12. 12 times n is 12n. Times positive yan siya. Also, positive 12n. 12 times negative 1 is negative 12. Then, combine like terms. That's 12n. 6 minus 12 is negative 6. Therefore, yung nth term natin or the formula is we have a sub n equals 12n minus 6. Number 2, find the value of x if the arithmetic mean of 3 and 3x plus 5 is 8. So, ibig sabihin, if 8 is the arithmetic mean between 3 and 3x plus 5, then siya yung second term natin. So, first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 3x plus 5. So, let's find the value of x. So, same pa rin. Equate natin yung common difference natin. So, a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is the common difference. Then, a sub 3 minus a sub 2, that's still the value of our common difference. So, ibig sabihin, equal silang dalawa. So, a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to a sub 3 minus a sub 2. And then, let's substitute. A sub 2 is 8. 8 minus 3, our a sub 1, and then equals a sub 3 is 3x plus 5, okay, minus a sub 2 natin ay 8. Okay, and then transpose, maiwan si 3x sa right side, okay, and then si positive 5 transpose maging negative 5. Si negative 8 transpose maging positive 8. And then simplify, so that's negative okay, so, and then simplify, that's 16 minus 8 is 8, and then 3x. So, divide both sides by 3, since 3 yung coefficient ng variable x natin. So, cancel. X, therefore, is 8 over 3 or 8/3. So, that's the value of x. So, therefore, if the value of x is 8 over 3, then, yung first term natin is 3, second term is 8. Yung third term natin ay, substitute natin yung value ng x. So, 3 times 8 over 3 plus 5, that's 13. Okay, or cancel na yan diretso. 8 plus 5 is 13. This is now the value of the third term if x is 8 over 3. For the last item, number 3, find the value of k when the arithmetic mean of k plus 7 and k plus 3 is 3k plus 9. Okay? So, if 3k plus 9 is the arithmetic mean of k plus 7 and k plus 3, it means that 3k plus 9 is the second term. So, yung first term natin, k plus 7, second term, 3k plus 9, and third term is itong k plus 3. So, same pa rin to get the value of k, then we have to equate yung common difference natin. So, a sub 2 minus a sub 1 equals a sub 3 minus a sub 2. And then, substitute, a sub 2 is 3k plus 9 minus a sub 1 is k plus 7. And then, a sub 3 is k plus 3 minus the value of a sub 2, that's 3k plus 9. And then, distribute. Okay, copy lang natin ito, 3k plus 9, and then, negative times k is negative k, negative times 7 is negative 7, equals, copy this one, k plus 3, negative times 3k is negative 3k, negative times 9 is negative 9. And then, transpose itong may variable sa right side. Okay? Or, pwede din na, ito dito, i-transpose sa left side. Same lang yan siya. Okay, so ito siya, transpose natin from positive k, maging negative k. So, kopyahin lang natin ito dito, 3k minus k. And then, ito siya, ilipat from positive, maging negative k. From negative 3k, maging positive 3k. And then, negative 9. Okay, maiwan si negative 9 and then si positive 3. And then from, ito siya, from positive 9, transpose natin dito maging negative 9. So from negative 7, transpose natin maging positive 7. And then, simplify. Okay, this is equal to 4k. 3k minus k is 2k. 2k minus k is k. K plus 3k is 4k. Then, this one is equal to negative 8. Divide both sides by 4 para maiwan yung variable k. So, divide both sides by 4. K therefore is negative 2. So, since the value of k is negative 2, it means that a sub 1, transpose, substitute natin si negative 2 dito. Okay, so negative 2 plus 7 is 5. And then for the second term, that's 3k plus 9. So, 3 times negative 2. Okay, negative 6 plus 9, that's 3. And then for the third term naman, k plus 3. So, negative 2 plus 3. So, that's 1. So, the arithmetic sequence we have 5, 3. First term is 5. Second term is 3. Third term is 1. Okay, so this is the end of this video lesson. I hope you guys learned again from this lesson. So, abangan nyo yung next na episode na naman nakarugtong nitong arithmetic mean.